Okay, altos, this is car wash. We're going to start with the rhythm at the beginning. This is what it sounds like. Okay, it goes 2, 4, 2 to 3 and 4. 2, 4, 2 to 3 and 4. Okay, you are going to clap a little bit after that and sing, but don't try it right now. Here's just the singing starting at measure 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Do, 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 do. 1, 2. Car wash, car wash, car wash. You might not ever get rich. 2, 3, 4. Let me tell you, it's better than digging a ditch. Pure alto sings with the men. There ain't no telling who you might need. A movie star, or maybe a common thief working at the car wash. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. At the car wash, yeah. 1, 2, 3. At the car wash, sing it with me now. Working at the car wash, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Come, some of the work gets kinda hard. 2, 3, 4. This ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool. Men sing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe, go. Working at the car wash. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. At the car wash, yeah. 1, 2, 3. At the car wash. Sing it with me now. Working at the car wash, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Work and work. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Hey, get your car washed today. Fill up and you don't have to pay. Hey, get your car washed today. Give it up right away. 2, 4, 2 to 3 and 4. 2, 4, 1, 2. Working at the car wash. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. At the car wash, yeah. 1, 2, 3. At the car wash. Sing it with me now. Working at the car wash, yeah. Whoa, working at the car wash. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. At the car wash, yeah. 1, 2, 3. At the car wash.